Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OPPO A77 to an Android device. You need to begin by getting free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both smartphones. Firstly, tap on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, and allow. In this pop-up though about new updates, you can choose not now if you want to. To close it, click on OK. Now tap on Send at the bottom left corner of OPPO and receive next to Send at the bottom of your Android. Also on an Android, tap on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to OPPO smartphone. You can finally tap on all of those categories located at the top. To pick multiple files from your category, select those dots at the top left corners. If you wish to only pick the chosen one, click on it. Whatever you do, when you're ready, choose Send next to Selected, located at the bottom. Then tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and choose the best connection way for you. If you wish to scan the QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide on an Android. Then tap on While using or Only this time and point your device's camera at the code. If you wish to input this key instead, tap on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Then connect thanks to the Receive button. So when I click on it, as you can see, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!